On to our other top story this evening. Western Massachusetts has the potential to get its first major snowstorm of the season. And 22 News reporter Nick Oresco has what you need to know to prepare before the first flakes fly.
So we live in New England, so this is nothing new. Snow is on the way, and although we can't really pinpoint exactly how much we're going to see, even though we have a pretty good idea, we do know how to prepare for a major snowstorm, a potential major snowstorm, of course. Now, it looks like that this storm is going to be coming in sometime Wednesday evening and go right through Thursday morning. And while we are still a day out, people are getting ready for the potential for several inches. This also has the potential to be the first major winter storm of the season, and that's why people are stocking up on supplies and heading to places like Rocky's Ace Hardware, a very popular place for this. Of course, safety is important when it snows, so let's give you some tips to make sure you don't end up in the hospital because of a snow-related injury, because that does happen. When it comes to cleanup, push the snow rather than lifting it. Also, lift with your legs, not your back. Many people end up in the hospital with back-related injuries because of this, so stay home if you can as well. But if you do have to be out on the roads, make sure to drive slow and give yourself plenty of room between the car in front of you. Here's a big one. Don't put your hand in the snowblower. This happens more than you think it does. And of course, probably the biggest tip of all, download the 22 News mobile app to keep you up to date during this storm.